concrete was replaced and the contractor left the sprinkler way too high. As you can see, it's now been forced forward by people stepping on it, or being kicked. So we're going to not only replace it and lower it, but we're going to move it to its proper location. So I'm digging it up. Unfortunately, there's enough swing joint or enough pipe there that I can swing it over to where I need to put it. Just spun this one off. It's the old one. I'm going to insert a brand new Hunter sprinkler body. And just pull it over to where I need it. Level it the best I can with my right hand. Keep it away from the sidewalk about an inch or so and backfill. The reason I want to keep it away from the sidewalk is so that when they edge the sidewalk, or when those that are cutting the lawn edge the sidewalk, it doesn't damage the sprinkler. So right now just using the dirt to fill in that section. I lift it up a little bit for when I push down, it makes it level versus sinking, and then pack the sod in around it. And right here it's just a quick demonstration of the full backfill of it, and I get all the dirt in around the head as much as possible. Installing Hunter's fixed nozzles is simple. Just remove the flush cap, drop in the basket, spin on the nozzle clockwise, then ratchet around to direct the flow. It has a little diagram on the top of the nozzle to show you which direction the flow goes.